Hi and welcome. You know, sometimes we just don't want the clutter. We just want to be able to focus in on something that's really important. Well, in Lightroom, our images are important. And there's an absolutely brilliant feature that I'm going to show you that helps you to focus in when you're examining your images in great detail. And that's called Lights Out mode. So, without further ado, let's get on with it. Well, okay, here we go. Now here I am in the library module and I've got some thumbnails and I might just want to just sit back and relax and look at my thumbnails and examine them. But there's a lot of clutter going off all around this. So what I'm going to use is Lights Out mode. And I'm going to press the L key on the keyboard. And that's going to take me to partial lights out mode. I can still see things slightly in the background, and if I want I can click on them and I can change things. But for me, I just want to sit and just take it all in. Breathe in. All the effort that you've put into creating your images. And if I'm still a little bit distracted, then I can press the L key again and I get full lights out mode. So now I've got total blackness and I can see and examine my images and just sit back and take it all in. Oh, well, anyway, let's get on with it. So if I press the L key again, it takes me back to lights on mode. Now I can do this in loop view as well, so if I've got a particular image that I just want to relax with, then I can press the E key to go into loop view, and then I can press the L key to go into lights out, and I'll press the L key again, and I can just sit and remember all the thoughts at the time I was taking this image. And this is the plug hole, the sinkhole at Ladybower Dam when the water level was high a couple of years ago. Okay, I've had enough gazing. I'm going to press the L key again to switch the lights back on. And there we have it. The L key, three-way toggle. L for partial lights out, L for full lights out, L for lights back on again. I do hope you find that useful. I know I certainly do. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment underneath the video. And please click that subscribe button and help me grow my Photoshop learning community. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.